Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to Proyecto Next. Today is a very special day for me because I am on my way to my church to watch my daughter, my oldest daughter, get baptized. She decided she wanted to go public with her faith, so I am on my way there. Also, this video is going to be dedicated to my church because yesterday we hosted our second annual trunk or treat and it was a blast. I got to dress up. Well, my whole family, we got to dress up as Bob Burgers. So it was really exciting. Now, without further ado, here's the footage. Enjoy! Let me hear a happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween! It's peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time!
Like your bling bling, man. Break dancer? Yeah.
Oh, God.
Someone has stolen my time!
Oh, yes!
I know it's last minute, but we've decided to have a Halloween party. Oh, good! Yeah, and everybody has to wear costumes. Oh, I have
Oh, I love this. Good job with the pumpkins. That's so creative.
I am Buzz Lightyear.
Time for the charm bomb to explode. Hi there, customer. Is someone hungry?
Dad, it's Gene.
Yes, Gene, go ahead.
Dad?
Yes.
I think we have a bad connection. I'll call you back.
I'm Linda. I love showers and mornings and bologna and turtles.
What? You'll never break up with me! What? Dash, no!
Nima?
Do you like it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Jump. Hey! One more. Hey!
I don't think it.
Whenever you're down, out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take my hand and walk there with me. I know a place where we can be free. There is a light shining for you, guiding your way. the deepest valley, hear a voice calling you. It's the rising sun, shining in the darkest alley. Can't you see you will be free? I have been far, I have been wide, searching for peace, somewhere to hide. Now I am free, open and pure, fearless and babe, I am secure.
So we're gonna do it together. I want you to be close to your dad so we can take you down, all right? No, wait, now stand up, stand up. You're gonna put your hand over your nose, your left hand over your nose, right? And you're gonna take your right hand and you're gonna put it right here on your wrist, all right? All right, slow it down with your wrist. We'll do it together, all right? So long as you go down on the cross, it's very. All right? Open your nose. 1,